Hi, we're Sharon and Andy. Welcome to Finca Live.
In 2019 we bought a derelict finca that used to be a bodega in the Murcia region of Spain. The building was an empty shell with no main services, water, electric or sewage, and we're restoring it, doing all the work ourselves with the view to giving us an off-grid, debt-free home.
In addition to this, self-sufficiency is very important to us, so we're going to aim to produce as much of our own food as possible, and the idea behind these videos is to log our progress, but also to provide you with something you hopefully find interesting and informative. Please join us on our journey. Today is a happy day. Our bathroom is finally finished. It's very important because in order to get a habitation certificate we need a bathroom, and we didn't have anything, so happy days. This is it. Hope you like it. Nice big shower. The only thing we've got left to do actually is the floor. We've not varnished that on purpose because we want it to darken a little bit, so we're going to leave that. We're not moving in yet, so we don't need to be walking on it. So shower. We've got a nice little cupboard here that Andy built, which we can put our towels and shampoos and toiletries in, out of sight. Our accessories, the towel rail that you saw Andy making in a previous video, the loo roll holder, the toothbrush holder, and a little hand towel hook. And we've got a couple of nifty little features that I'll share with you. This here, there you go, brings the light on, and just wave, switch it off. And up here is a fan, extractor fan. Again, just knocks it on and knocks it off. Matching bin and toilet brush holder. It's not very exciting to you guys, I'm sure, but it's very exciting to me. So what we're going to do now is put a series of pictures up for you to see how we got to this point, because obviously we can't show you who's doing it because it's done, but it was a bit of a mission. Okay, so this was just one big room. We've built this box, which is now the bathroom. This was a solid wall, which we had to knock through, put a couple of railway sleepers in there for support, you can see. The door wasn't here. It was just an old boarded up window that we used to have to get the step ladder out from outside to climb in through this window to access this part of the house. There was no other access at all. So Andy's going to put up, as I said before, a series of stills that you can see gradually how we got to the stage that we're at now. out of the bathroom. This is the other half of that big room we mentioned, and this is our next job, the bedroom. We need to get this livable. We've already put a window in here, which was a bit of a mission, and we've just started clearing it out, ready for doing the ceiling and the floor and everything. So much to do. But if you enjoyed today's video and you'd be interested in seeing what we do with the bedroom, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.